Wix FAQ app tutorial. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to use the Wix FAQ app. So it is going to be conceived for those who are seeking for setting up FAQs. It is going to be having some automations and also some preset questions and responses that you're going to add into your website. So how we can get this app? It is going to be very simple and easy. We're going to head over wix.com, sign in for an account. As you can see, we're going to be on the dashboard of the Wix account. Once we have been there, what we're going to do next is going to be very simple. We are going to head over the edit site before I head over the apps, because it is going to be very needed into the website editor, because in any case you're going to open up the website editor and it will take a little bit of time. So it is going to be preferable to load the website editor beforehand. Now, once you have loaded your editor, we're going to head over the left side of the screen, head over the add apps. From here, it is going to show you the app market. We're going to click on the search bar at the top. So we're going to type in Wix FAQ. So it is going to let you create collapsible FAQs for the site visitors. So we are going to select the app. We're going to add it to the site. Although it is going to have a 2.7 rating out of 5, but it is going to do the most simple requests. So I'm going basically to add it to a section or a free section where it is, or it should be added. So I'm going to add a new section here and we are going to take it there. So I'm going to attach it to this section. So it is going to take place right there. So I'm going to stretch a little bit of the section. We're going to have it here, condensed to the middle, and boom. Now, what are we going to do, or what can we do? We can manage the FAQs by clicking on the button manage. It is going to open up the dashboard, let you see the apps and the Wix FAQ. So we're going to have the option to create an FAQ or the category of the FAQ, or it is going to let you create an FAQ with AI. So it is going to be a choice for you to make. If you are going to have everything in hand and you know what you're going to put type of questions, you're going to add it manually, and it is going to copy paste maybe or writing from this bar. So you can go ahead and click on FAQ, add the question and the answer. Maybe you're going to have a TikTok video, YouTube video, or an attachment or a file. Once we have set that, you can go ahead and leave or save it and also add a category for the FAQs. Each one of the categories is going to contain a specific type of FAQs. Now, aside from the FAQs, we can go ahead and click on settings. As you can see, this is an example FAQ. You can have the main FAQs and manage them. You can control the display or the type of the FAQ, how they are going to be showing, like showing the title, not, for example, are the FAQs. So you can put the search bar if you're going to have a library or a variety of FAQs. You can set up the categories to show up or the FAQ only, and select which element of the FAQ is going to show. You can allow the social media sharing options. Also, you can control or set up the layout, for example, as an expandable one, or the accordion style I would like to name it. You can have the, as you can see, stripe or strip, and also the expanded simple. So for the advanced settings, you can have, for example, the type of answers, show the answer or not. The design is going to be customizable and etc. So that was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.